Hello and welcome to another episode of Cool Tools. Okay, in Kubernetes, let's see how we actually can view the current context which is there in our default um, .kube/config file, which is in the root folder. So we do kubectl config view. It shows, in fact, it actually prints that entire um, YAML file for you. So that actually shows the current clusters, contexts, and users in your local Kubernetes configuration or kubectl configuration. So let's see actually how we'll switch between different contexts. So I'm actually managing multiple clusters over here. I should be able to switch between different contexts. So if I do a current context, it shows that micro K8s is the current context. So if I do use context, config use context, and then give the name, it actually switches to the queue, to that context. So there you can see, like, I have Minikube, and let's quickly do one more round. So I do kubectl get namespace. That will give me namespaces that's there in the Minikube, and then we just config, switch the context to, oh, I forgot what's the other one which I've installed. So every time I had to actually go and do a view and then get the list of all the contexts. So there you go. Actually I have like Docker desktop, micro K8s, and Minikube. So I want to switch to micro K8s. I do a kubectl config and then use context and then give the name of the context I want to switch to. So there you go, that switch happens. So this is kind of cumbersome. So I have found this tool, kubectx, which can quickly switch between different contexts. So if I do a kubectx, it lists all the contexts available, and also it actually highlights the one which is current. So I can do a kubectx and then give the name of the context to switch to that context. So I have two Kubernetes local installations. One is Minikube and another one is micro K8s. And next one is kubectns. So kubectns is again same as kubectl get namespace. It actually gets the namespace of the current context. So you can see, like, I've used kubectns as well as kubectl get namespace both. Of course, kubectl actually provides additional details like status and age that's not there in kubectns. Right, that's the GitHub page for the tool by this gentleman Ahmed. So it's a really nice tool, cute little one, as I said, and he's done very good job of giving a nice documentation on that, on how to install and how to manage it.